Great day, second grade students and families. It's Mr. Sargent here with your weekly announcements for the week of March 11th through March 15th. And I know I say this every week, but we have a lot to talk about this week, especially when it comes to school information and fundraising opportunities. So, ladies and gentlemen, buckle up and we're going to get to it right now. All right. First things first, I hope you are all enjoying your long weekend. As a reminder, this Monday, March 11th, will be a respite day. This is a no school day. This is a great time, an opportunity for everyone just to take a rest, take a break, and come back and get ready for that final push before spring break, and then for the end of the year. So I hope you're all enjoying your Monday off. All right? So let's talk about school news and the fundraising opportunities that we're going to be having. You're going to hear me say that word a lot. So let's start with the packet that was sent home last week. Now, Ms. Persinger, our art program, is having a fundraising activity where we get to put our students and our scholars' artwork on different items, which is actually pretty cool. All right. You all received the packets last week, and if you haven't, check the homework folders because I did see some of them in there. And this is a great opportunity to grow our art program and let our students shine, which is an incredible opportunity. All right? All right, next, we've already started the school fundraiser, which is going to be a walkathon that will be held later on in the month. Now, a paper that looks like this has been sent home, and if you haven't gotten it yet, we can send you the QR code if you check out the social media pages as well as the Class Dojo messages that Mr. Dunn sends. All right, this is going to be a great opportunity for our students to raise money for our school. Now, this is going to be an event that we're going to have here. We're going to make a big production of it, and for every lap the students do, they can be sponsored based on that lap. So it's a great opportunity, and more information will be coming soon. Now, this Thursday, I'm super excited. It is Pie Day. No, not that kind of pie, but this kind of pie. Now, it is 3/14, and we are going to be celebrating the number that is pi, the infinite number. And we're going to have a number of activities that we're going to be doing in our math classes as well as school-wide. All right. So I cannot wait for all the parents to hear about the great things that our students are doing when concerned with pie. Nope, pie. There we go. Now, later on that day, you can pick yourself up a piece of pie at Cece's. Now, this is a great opportunity. We're having our Cece's fundraiser night run by the PTA. This is an incredible time to go out and meet our PTA. Now, when you go to Cece's, mention you were a part of GPA, and 20% of your purchase will go towards our school. So once again, another great fundraising opportunity to support our school. All right, we're almost done. Now, on Saturday, March 16th, from 3 to 6, we are going to have, once again, another fundraising activity, but this time it is for the Watchdog program and the Watch Pup program. We are going to have a scrimmage versus the teachers versus the parents. And once again, admission is going to be $5, and all proceeds go towards the Watch Pups program. This will be definitely an enjoyable time to watch our community grow and some of our teachers out there showing what they got playing some basketball. All right. I believe that is all the fundraising activities. If I missed any, definitely check out Mr. Dunn's Class Dojo messages every Sunday. They are an incredible fountain of information that I highly recommend that you check out. Let's talk about what we're doing this week in second grade. Now, already sent home on Thursday was week 19 spelling words. Now, these have the ch ending sound. So let's go ahead and take a look at these words. Number 1 is letter. Number 2 is mother. Number 3 is ball. Number 4 is rich. Number 5 is study. Number 6 is much. Number 7 is such. Number 8 is patch. Number 9 is search. Number 10 is march. Number 11 is starch. Number 12 is rotate. Number 13 is tornado. Number 14 is funnel. Number 15 is group, and number 16 is 6. As always, the homework's already been passed out and it will be turned in by this Friday. And if you need any help with it, just let me know. Now, also in ELA, we're going to continue reading about the digestive system and all the parts that make it work and why it's an amazing system of our body. All right, so have fun with some ELA this week. And once again, I can't wait to hear all the great information that you're learning in ELA. Now, as far as math goes, this week you're beginning Module 5. From what I hear, you did okay on your test last week, so you're moving on to the next module, and Module 5 is dealing with strategies for adding and subtracting within 1,000. So before you focused on double-digit numbers. Now you get to focus on some triple-digit numbers. And I know from all the people that I worked with out there, all the students and all the scholars, you are going to do a fantastic job. But if you don't, I'm here to help. So I want to put up this. Now here I have a word problem that definitely I know a lot of you can solve already, but I want to show you an easy way to solve it. It says Taekwon wants to read 100 books this quarter in school. He has already read 32. How many more does he have to read? All right, so as we look at this question, we know that it is a subtraction problem. We are starting with the number 100. Now, what we need to do is figure out what the question is asking. Now, we're looking for how many more he has to read. So that's what we don't know. So we're going to put that there. But we do know how much he read, and that is 32 right there. So if we take our 100 and we line it up here, you will see our place values line up. So it's 100 minus 32 equals, well, we don't know yet. So if we look here, we know we have to regroup, don't we? We have to decompose the number a little bit. So we take this ones place and we change that 0 into a 10. But we have to get that 10 from somewhere, so we go to the tens place. But it's 0. So I look at the hundreds place, and we mix that, and you see 10 there. We change that to 9, all right? So our problem's gonna look a little like this, and then we subtract. If you can subtract this problem and tell me what the answer is on Tuesday, I might have something for you, all right? So good luck with how we solve our math, and once again, if you ever need any help, we're here for you and we're here to help. Now in social studies, I am super excited about what we're going to be doing this week. Now last week we focused on money. We focused on what money was. We focused on how people make money, how people spend money, and we focused on our wants and our needs. We also focused on goods and services. So we did so much last week that this week we get to have a little bit more fun. See, we put the work in last week so we could use what we've learned in, well, what we're going to be doing. Now this week we're going to continue talking about economics and businesses. We're going to be talking about how businesses sell products to an ordinary person like myself. Now, the cool thing about what we're going to be doing this week is we are going to start creating our own businesses. You're going to create a product. You are going to think about this product. You are going to create a business plan. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to learn how to advertise this product so that people would buy it. It's a great lesson in economics, and I cannot wait to see just how creative each one of you will be. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this week. I know there was a lot of information. I know there's a lot of fundraising information. 'Tis the season. But ladies and gentlemen, just know we thank you for everything. Everyone watching out there, I thank you for your continued support, your enthusiasm, and your excitement about the things that we're doing here at GPA, and especially here in the second grade. So enjoy your long weekend, and I will see each and every one of you on Tuesday.